cloves and lemon or apple cider vinegar? Which morning drink is actually better for inflammation, digestion, energy, detox, overall health? Well, today we're settling it once and for all. If you've been a part of the 7-Day Cloves Challenge, you already know how powerful this morning drink can be. But yet, apple cider vinegar has a following of millions of people swearing by it. So which one does your body really need? Well, let's compare them side by side so you can understand the differences clearly and you can choose which is best for you. At the end of this, I'm going to share with you how I use both drinks. We're going to look at 7 categories: inflammation, digestion, bloating, detox, liver support, energy, mood, skin, aging, safety, taste. Okay, I know it's more than 7, but which one should you choose? It depends on your goals. So let's start with inflammation because this is where so many people struggle. So cloves and lemon together are one of the strongest anti-inflammatory combinations. So cloves contains a compound called eugenol, which research shows can reduce inflammation markers. Lemons flush out that inflammatory waste from the body. Apple cider vinegar helps stabilize blood sugar after meals, which indirectly lowers inflammation. But it isn't a direct anti-inflammatory such as cloves. When it comes to inflammation support, cloves and lemons actually win. Now let's talk digestion and bloating. If you struggle with bloating and sluggish digestion, pay close attention. Choose the cloves and the lemon would work gently. Cloves stimulate the digestion enzymes. Lemon wakes up the stomach and helps to remove the digestion along smoothly, whereas apple cider vinegar helps to increase stomach acid, which can directly improve digestion for people who have low stomach acid. So ACV can make digestion quicker and easier. The winner is actually, well, it depends on you. It depends what you want. Either one is going to work. If you have low stomach acid, trouble digesting heavier meals, you want apple cider vinegar. Now, let's talk about detox and liver support. Well, lemons is a natural detoxifier. Cloves activate important liver enzymes, and together they form a beautiful supportive detox combination. Well, apple cider vinegar supports detox indirectly by improving gut health, but not specifically the liver. So detox and liver support, cloves and lemon, are a stronger choice. Let's move on to energy and mood. When inflammation decreases and digestion improves, your energy naturally goes up, which is why so many people report better morning energy with the cloves and lemon. Yet apple cider vinegar helps manage blood sugar spikes and crashes, so you have a smoother, more consistent kind of energy. And it's excellent for blood sugar energy, while cloves and lemon are excellent for inflammation-related energy. They both work in just in different ways. Now let's talk skin and aging. Many people notice this quickly. Cloves and lemon together give you detox support plus a very high level of antioxidants. This leads to clearer, brighter, more radiant skin. Apple cider vinegar can help with acne and skin clarity for many people because it balances the pH, but for others it can cause irritation if you consume it too often. So when it comes to long-term skin health and glow, it's going to be the cloves and lemon. Now let's talk safety and taste, which honestly matters more than people will admit. Cloves and lemon are gentle, soothing, and they're generally safe to drink daily. And they're easy on the teeth and easy on your stomach and easy to enjoy. Whereas apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, can be very harsh on tooth enamel. It can irritate the throat and it can cause nausea or stomach discomfort if taken too often or too strong. It must be diluted. So for safety and comfort, cloves and lemon kind of still win on that one. But of course you are diluting the apple cider vinegar. So, okay, that's a toss-up. So the big question is, which one should you drink? Well, let's make it simple. Choose cloves and lemon if you want more instantaneous inflammation support, reduce bloating, clearer skin, gentle detox. And yet choose apple cider vinegar if you need help with blood sugar control. It actually is a quicker craving, like if you take some of this right before a meal, it's for appetite control and low stomach acid. And remember, you don't have to pick one forever. You can alternate. Cloves and lemon one day, apple cider vinegar the next day. Your body loves variety. Now, if I personally had to choose only one, I would go with cloves and lemon because I've been drinking lemon juice every morning for a long time. And I really have loved the additional benefits of adding the cloves. But I'm going to tell you, I like my apple cider vinegar. Sometimes if I feel like, wow, what's going on with my appetite? I think I'm just starting to get a little ravenous, and I don't want to be ravenous. Then I'll take like a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar about 30 minutes before a meal, and then that calms that down. Also, I'll take it at night to prevent any restless leg syndrome or any feelings in my legs that if I've had a very tiring day. But here's the best of all. You get to choose when, which one, which flavor. I mean, obviously we can increase the flavor of the apple cider vinegar by adding in some lemon and all of that. Obviously, we can increase the flavor of the apple cider vinegar by adding in some honey. I love to add flavors into my clove and lemon water with some cinnamon and some stevia. So you can work with the flavor either way, but I like both my drinks. This is my morning drink. And then if I have something going on with my appetite, I'll do a little bit of this before a meal, and then I do this in the evening before bedtime. So there you have it. Which one's best? Well, it depends on you. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit like and subscribe and the bell, because I just want to welcome you into the Biblical Nutritionist family. Thanks for watching.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.